So all my Porsche customers, we got this beautiful 2019. That's a GTS Macan. It's a 3-liter twin turbo V6. So this came in with a tick noise. That's the thing customer told us. But it's a piston slap, which is really common, and the V6 engines on this one. So we are going to take it inside probably tomorrow. Today we are packed up. And if you guys do have any of the Porsches, stay with us and we'll show you how we work on the Porsche, because a lot of the clients from the city, they don't know Ricardo works on the Porsche too. This is probably the 6th Porsche from last year till now. Macan, same model, year is different. So we work on those ones. If you guys own any of the Porsche, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. For any of the inquiries about any German cars, you can book your appointment. Hi guys, so this beautiful 2012 335 twin turbo is ready. So we put the new water pump, new thermostat. This car have some codes on DME for the irrationality of the thermostat with the coolant. So when we check it out, there was also water pump codes. We did both of that thing. And right now we're just topping up the coolant back to normal. And then we're going to make idling to check up the heat and the fans working or not. Second thing, we got this beautiful 2025 S58. So this one is here for a clinking sound from this side. I don't know what's the history of this. This is our very first time customer. So we got the part from BMW. We're going to lift it up and check what's wrong with this beautiful, one of the best production by the BMW Canada for 2025. This car is insanely fast. I just test drove it. It's 3-liter twin turbo inline with a 473 horses. I just love it. I have M346 and I'm in love with the BMW from long time, almost a decade and a half. And this is one of the masterpiece BMW make it from past. So if you guys do have any of the latest BMWs and you want any of the work, you'll name it, we'll do that. Get it. Right, Rob. So the very first thing, your lower pan is leaking right from the bottom, and there's a side engine oil pump from all the way from the top of the wall cover. So your wall cover is also leaking. Somebody installed it aftermarket one, and the fitment doesn't match to the body. So that's the reason that's leaking, and the coolant as well. And when you see, it's all over the oil underneath here. And after that, when you're gonna come on the back, you'll see. All right, so the back, right here, the rear differential seal, both of the sides, they are leaking pretty bad. It's from the long time, and somebody just did your shocks on this side and other side. They didn't notice it, but yeah, this is the complete leak right here, and the fluid level is also low on this one. And see this rattling? So this need to get fixed too. So these are the bottom inspection on your car. On the top, I'm just gonna show you. All right, so that's how we communicate with our customers. That's the first time customer to the shop, and it's a rare car. It's 2009 or 10, 328. It's a station wagon. I do have a station wagon, so they're the pretty much rare cars on the road right now. Do you know the reason behind this almost brand new block on this beautiful 2018 Toyota Tacoma? Just because there was a bad oil services done on this beautiful engine, and this is the second engine in March only. Got the bad oil used from long time, and the engine got weighed out from inside. So the reason we're using the shot block on this one is the crank bearings, connecting bearings, they are weighed out, spun really bad. Here's the crank on that thing. So there's multiple different parts on the floor right now, but we are trying to wrap this thing up. I'll show you exact parts, how they looks like. So this is roughly a beef work to work on, because you're not going to get the shot block for Toyota. They don't break down. They only break down with the poor maintenance. So we source this thing, and we're going right now. We're going to put the brand new pistons, new cam, and the block. So if you guys do have the same cars, you can give us a call, book your appointment. Also, the stuff I'm going to show on this one, let's come. All right, so this is stuff from the older engine. You can see here, right, all the spun bearings from here. So the reason this block is useless right now because it have the markings, it got worn out from the cylinder walls. One of the piston got seized almost. I don't know how luckily they make it to our shop. So these are the pistons, head bolts, like all the bolt kit plus piston connecting rods. Crank is on the other side, and these are the older head gaskets. So if you guys do have good cars, try to use some good oil. Google it. You're gonna find a good oil authentically for your car. Toyota is one of the reliable truck in Canada, not in just Canada, in the world. So this thing break down just because of a bad oil. I'm telling every time. A lot of people have a questions, oil is oil. No, it doesn't work that way. They have a special spec, special viscosity according to the make and model. That's what you have to do, put the oil right to keep this thing long lasting on road onto the next car. So it's a time of appreciation. This customer following us from almost 2 years, and they comment on every video. They love us. And before we're gonna start the repair on this car and let you guys know what exactly this car needs, I just want to thank to all my viewers. Customers like this stay positive. They give it positive feedbacks, no hates in that thing. That's something we keep motivated to work every day in a proper pace. So we're gonna start on this car first. This is a beautiful 2015 528i N20 motor, very common on the timing chain failures. But this car came in with the multiple issues, include the timing chain is one of that. Plus this car have a code for thermostat, water pump. Also one of the reservoir, coolant reservoir is bad on this. This is the second BMW in the week. We actually got three. So the third one I'll mention you probably in the next video. So this came in here. We cut down the price. We gave our best price to this, our truly follower customer from a year. I can see like on almost every video underneath there's a comment from this customer, and that's something keep us motivated to work on our platform. And if you guys do have any of the BMWs and you want to work, I will post this work on this car especially every day, just to let you guys know how transparently we work on your vehicles. So this customer, they're gonna wait for a week. It's a week job. We're gonna do multiple things on the engine. It's not just, it's a oil filter housing leak also on this one. So if you guys do have any of the N20s and you're following us from a long time, give us a call for any inquiries. We'll give you a best discount on that thing. That's something I just love about to work on N20s. If you guys do have it, don't feel shy, give us a call.